Hello students, welcome to the English class for Standard 6. I'm your English teacher Kavita Victor. Today we'll see a poem written by H.W. Longfellow, Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. He has written a poem titled Rain in Summer. Rain in Summer. So this is H.W. Longfellow, the poet. See, here you can see it is raining. So there's a farmer. He's holding a boat. He's sitting under a boat and his oar is here. So it is raining. So what is special about rain in summer? Usually we have rainy season, right? Monsoon as it is called. If it rains in monsoon, it is as usual because we expect rain. But rain in summer it is very hot because of the summer, and suddenly it rains. So it is very beautiful to look at, usually because there is no cloud. In rainy season it becomes cloudy, it becomes dark, and then it rains. But in summer what happens? There is little bit of brightness still left. It is not very cloudy. So you can actually enjoy the rain in little bit of bright sunlight, especially if it is in the afternoon. It looks very beautiful. Here, that is what H.W. Longfellow is trying to paint the picture of rain. Okay, let's see the poem. How beautiful is the rain! After the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain! So, this is what happens in summer, right? There is dust, there is heat in the broad and fiery. He says fiery because of the heat. It looks, it feels as if we are in fire. There is so much heat everywhere. And in the broad street and in the narrow lane also. Narrow lane is like a gully. In Kannada or in Hindi we say gully, right? It's a small lane, and even in the broad, everywhere there is heat and dust. So this beautiful rain, is so beautiful in summer. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. So here, first is, he says how it looks, how it clatters. Clatters is that tuck 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 sound. How it makes sound when it falls on the rooftops. If you have if you are under an asbestos sheet roof or a metal roof, you can hear the rain rain beating against the roof, and it makes a clattering sound. Okay, like the tramp of hoofs. Hoof is the you can say the foot of the horse. So when a horse walks also, you can hear one like a tramp, like the footsteps of a horse. Okay, so this sound on the rooftop sounds like the hoof sounds of horses. Okay, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Here this is a spout. Okay, usually this spout carries all the water from the from somewhere up in the building. Okay, so all the water, it flows through a pipe, and in the end it flows out through this spout. So here the poet is telling it looks as if water is just gushing out. Gushing means in a heavy stream it's flowing out because it is struggling to come out, just wants to come out. So it's as if, it looks as if it is struggling to come out of the throat of this spout. Okay, it's just overflowing. This spout is overflowing and the water just wants to escape from the spout. Across the wind pane it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter, roars the rain, the welcome rain. So, if you look at a rain from behind a window, if you are sitting at the window is closed, and if you look at it, it looks so beautiful, isn't it? So, across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide. So, muddy tide, it carries all the mud, it looks very muddy. Now it looks like a river. Down the gutter roars. So, down the gutter it goes, all the water. Where does it go in the end? All the rainwater, it flows down the gutter, right? It roars like a, who roars? Lion roars, right? So, it as if with that roaring sound, it's just flowing into the gutter. The rain, the welcome rain. So, it is so welcome. That means people have been waiting for this rain, because summer heat was too much to bear. So, now the rain comes and it cools the place. That is why the rain is a welcome rain. Okay. So, this is the poem. It is a very small, beautiful poem. Okay. So, next time when it rains and you are sitting at the window, you can remember this beautiful poem written by H.W. Longfellow. Okay. So, this is the end, and I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.